guys, I'm Bob. This is my wife, Renee. I call her Baby Doll.
And I call my husband Lovey Dovey, my husband.
And we're the faces behind Cooking Easy 101 Recipes. Today we have a recipe of greens and my wife's going to explain this.
Okay, so what we have here, guys, is 3 types of greens. We have our dinosaur kale, we have our collard greens here, and we have some lovely Swiss chard, if you can see it. No, it's right here. Everything's a little limp. We just left the farm, and these babies are in need of some water. So we're getting ready to put them all in the sink behind us here and get them washed up. And what we're doing, guys, we're doing a a mixed green recipe, okay? And that's what we're going to show you. It's going to be so quick, so easy, and so delicious. So stay tuned.
Yummy.
So here we are. Our mixed greens are all finished, and we are going to give a little taste to Mr. Bob, see what he thinks, okay? Alright. So quick, so easy, and so delicious. And this is our mixed green review, and they are really delicious.
Tender.
Continue to watch and follow. We hope you hit the subscribe button if you like this video, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time we upload a video. And we would like for you to hit that like button if you really like this